So it is currently 3:15 and I'm thinking to myself, like, I'm tired. I didn't have coffee yet today. Is it bad if I, like, even half a glass of coffee right now would help me through the rest of the day? Do I do it? Obviously the answer is yes, so let's make a cup of joe. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently Tuesday, June 23rd at 11 a.m. and I just woke up. I know I'm being so productive already, but today I'm going to be doing a day in my life and I'm going to try and be as productive as possible because I'm off from work today. I work every day this week except for Tuesday and Saturday, so I try to block those days out and do everything I need to get done, as well as filming, editing, and uploading videos, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm using this day to film an entire video to get up for you guys tomorrow. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you guys to join the family and stick around and support me, as well as giving this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying these vlogs that I'm putting out. And also leave a comment down below. I respond to every single one of my comments except if they're mean or just, I get some weird comments sometimes, so I don't respond to those, but I love chatting with you guys. So if you are new here, make sure to comment down below, or even if you're returning, I love chatting with you guys. Before we get into my day, this is a collab with my friend Megan. I will have her channel linked down below. She's also doing a productive day in my life, and we thought we would collab with each other. I actually just met her, but she's absolutely amazing, and I know we're going to be YouTube friends for a while. She actually just hit 1K, and she's growing so fast, so make sure you guys go subscribe to her down below. I'll have her video right here in the iCards, but I'll have her channel and her video as well in the description box. And if you are here from Megan's channel, hey and welcome, and let's just get on to this day in my life. We just finished helping set up where the stickers on my sister's laptop are gonna go. Can I just hold this up?
Yeah, I want to move this one a little bit.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. She is a huge Disney girl. And right now, before I do anything else, I'm going to make my bed. It is currently 11:15, I think, and I obviously just woke up, so I didn't eat breakfast. So I'm gonna make myself some breakfast right now, but I don't know what I want. Nothing really sounds amazing to me. So when this happens, I either make myself like an English muffin with butter, but I want more protein, so I'm gonna make a pack of this oatmeal and put some strawberries on top and call it a day, because this will hold me until I'm actually hungry and figure out what I want. So yeah, this is why I love summer, because our fridge has grapes in it. We got strawberries, we got watermelon, blueberries. I just love summer fruit. Wow, delicious. Before I get ready, I think actually what I'm gonna do is sit down for like 15-20 minutes and start my day by reading. And then I actually also have my planner right here. I still like to use my planner even though we're not in school, just to plan out my days. I have like certain days where I want to upload certain videos and things like that, and I write that in my phone, but I need to start writing into my planner. So this is going to be my setup right now: planner, books, phone, and we're going to plan for a little bit and then start our day. Plan out my day. So the first thing I had to do was start my vlog, which I'm doing now. I have a few errands to run, which I talked about. I'm going to go to my grandma's house, come back and work out because we have a Peloton in our basement and I need to start doing that. We're going out to dinner tonight because restaurants in New Jersey opened this week and we haven't gone yet, or even the week before, but it's outdoor dining only, but we're gonna go out as a family. And then tonight I have to edit and upload this video and private it and then make my thumbnail. If you guys are wondering, my planner is actually from Marshall's. I always get my planners from Marshall's and TJ Maxx because I just love them and they're so inexpensive and reasonably priced. So yeah. Right now I'm going to change and I'll show you guys what I'm going to wear, and then we're going to go do some errands. I just changed again. I never know how to dress for the weather, so here's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this big trippy red Love Me More tour shirt, and it just has like a design on the back and the tour dates. So I'm just wearing jean shorts. Again, it's 82 degrees, but I feel like the vibe is just like a big t-shirt and some jean shorts. And my bag is also red, so it goes with the shirt. I think I'm gonna put on a necklace too, and we're gonna head out. Okay, so I just got out of shopping. I'm going to show you guys what I got. A lot of people are staring at me, but it's fine. So I went to Lululemon and Sephora. What I got from Sephora is I just got this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which I used in my self-care day vlog. And what I really liked about Sephora is the lady asked me if I knew what I wanted when I was standing outside, and I said yes, and I told her what I needed, and she rang me up and checked me out outside. I didn't even have to go into the store. So that's amazing. This is what I get. I really recommend it. It's by Fresh. I use this every single day as my moisturizer. And then I went to Lululemon and I had a gift card and I got the Energy sports bra in white. I know what size I am too in Lululemon. I got a size 4 because 2s are just way too tight on me. Update, so I am home and I'm going to sit on my laptop for a little bit and do some YouTube work. What I mean by that is responding to comments on my new video that I uploaded, because comments are still rolling in, and as I said, I answer every single one of my comments, so I'm gonna do that. The footage I have so far and what I do when I respond to comments, I'll show you. Instead of just going to one video, where is it? I'll go to YouTube Studio and then just go to comments and just answer all of those. So shout out to any of you guys that see this. I'm gonna respond to these now and probably watch some YouTube for a little bit also. Also, I forgot to mention in my last vlog, it was a self-care day and I got a package from the brand Lilova, and I wore that underwear throughout the entire day. It was my time of the month and the underwear worked so well, so I highly recommend it. I will have a code in the description box again, and I have 20% off for you guys, and I'll have the website link down there as well. 100% recommend the underwear. Go check it out to all my ladies out there. Shout out Megan. I'm watching her live right now. What's up, Queen? This is her channel. Just gonna show you guys. Literally so aesthetically pleasing, I can't. So it is currently 3:15. And I'm thinking to myself, like, I'm tired. I didn't have coffee yet today. Is it bad if I, like, even half a glass of coffee right now would help me through the rest of the day? Do I do it? Obviously the answer is yes, so let's make a cup of joe. This is the perfect amount because all I need is just a little bit. Make my coffee is I just brew. My dad makes coffee every morning, but it's hot. I don't like hot coffee, so whatever's left over I put in a mason jar and put it in the fridge, and then I mix it with this Silk Vanilla Almond Creamer, and it's perfect. Update, so it is 4 o'clock. I haven't really done anything exciting today, but I'm leaving my house again because I'm going to my grandma's to say hi to her. It is so nice out right now. But yeah, I feel like I didn't really do a lot today. I feel like on my off days from work, I just like to take the day and basically spend it filming, editing stuff, catching up on YouTube videos, because during the week when I have work, I have literally 0 time to watch YouTube. I'll literally come home and work, watch like a few videos, eat dinner, and then I'll be exhausted. It's so hot. So yeah, I'm gonna drive to my grandma's house, and then I think we're gonna go out to dinner as a family. But yeah, my face is so red. Walking to my grandma's. Update, it is around 5:45 right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing to dinner. I'm just keeping my hair like this. I have this necklace on from Etsy. This t-shirt dress is from Brandy. And then I have around like 4 Alex and Ani bracelets on. I don't know if I should put earrings in. like gold earrings to match, but I might. Yeah, I think we will. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing for dinner. And I think I'm just gonna wear white Vans with it because comfy casual, but still looking cute. The vlog content.
Look, that there's no artichokes and it was in balsamic, but balsamic can get very like vinegary. Like the other vegetables too.
Yes, right now I'm on my phone, but I'm gonna get this face mask. It's new, it's a Vino, and it's a glow mask with pomegranate seed extract. They also have a refresh one with cucumber, but I think I'm gonna get this because I like having glowy skin in the summer. Also, I want to show you guys, so I went, sorry about this lighting, hold on. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and I got a few things that I want to show you guys. And also, I'm sorry I'm not filming on my G7X because my memory card is full. Mom? Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I got. First thing I got was a pair of these Adidas sneakers. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them, and I got them for $11, so score. I got this huge New Balance hoodie. This was $8. I just thought it was cool. I got this Lucky Brand sweater. I got this thermal striped shirt, which I thought was super cute. This Tommy Hilfiger purple turtleneck, and what I like about it is on the sleeves it has buttons on it. And I got 2 pairs of studs earrings. These are the first pair. I don't know if you could see it, but it's just like a double line, super cute. And then I just got a regular pair of studs, and these were both 14 karat gold, and they were literally $8 a pair. Hey everyone, it is around 8:04 right now. I just got home from dinner with my family, and I'm actually going to end the vlog here because I'm gonna go on a little walk with my dad and then edit this vlog and put it private for you guys to watch tomorrow when you're seeing this. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out Megan's channel. She's absolutely amazing. I will have all of her links down below. Make sure, if you're not already, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you're new or if you're returning. And yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you all for the amazing support, and I will see you all on Sunday with a new video. Bye!